Hey everyone, today we're going to learn to create Choropleth maps using BatchGeo. So, open up your browsers and let's get started. Alright, spreadsheets are great, but sometimes staring at rows of numbers just doesn't cut it. If you want to actually see geographic patterns, like where people live, spend money, or own pets, a boundary map can reveal insights a spreadsheet never could. What exactly is a boundary map? It's a type of map that colors an entire region, like states or countries, based on the values in your data. The higher the value, the darker or brighter the color. It's perfect for spotting hotspots, outliers, and interesting patterns at a glance. Let's use a fun example. Imagine you surveyed people across the US about pet ownership. Who has pets? Who has cats? Who has dogs? That kind of data, broken down by state, is a perfect fit for a boundary map. How do you make one? You start with a spreadsheet. First, you'll need two columns. One for your geographic region, like state name, and one for the value you want to visualize, like the percentage of households with pets. Make sure your geographic names are consistent. That means use California, not CA, and use New York, not NY. This helps BatchGeo recognize each location correctly when it builds the map. And once your spreadsheet is ready, upload it to BatchGeo. You can drag in the file, copy and paste, or select it from your computer. After that, hit Set Options to tell BatchGeo which column to use. Then comes the fun part, choosing your formatting. To make a boundary map, just select a map style that shades full regions instead of dropping markers. And that's it, you're done. Take a look at your new boundary map and you'll see the variations between regions instantly. And nope, you don't have to use percentages. If you just want to color entire regions with no data values, you can do that too. It's a great way to show coverage, zones, or categories without using markers. Alright, that's how you build a boundary map with spreadsheet data in BatchGeo. It's quick, it's powerful, and it makes your data look amazing. That's it for today. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll get to work making some more tutorials. Thanks again.